What if you were given $100,000 to invest in stock market today? Sounds amazing, right? Well, this is exactly what I'm trying to do in this video today. Except there's one catch. This is not real money. Before I begin, this video is only for educational and entertainment purpose. I am not a financial advisor and nothing in this video should be considered as financial advice. I am using paper trading account with virtual money, not real money. Always do your own research before investing. Okay. So what I first did is I went to a website that's Investopedia Okay, as you can see, this is where I clicked and I entered my email address and created a password. So when you create and when I'm sorry, when you enter an email address and a password, the account by default gives you 100,000 to invest. Okay, that this is your buying power, the cash that you have, today's change, and it even tells you an annual return. Okay, so what we are going to do is I am a new trader. I'm trying to understand how the stock market works. I do not want to put in a lot of money or put in real money, at least maybe I'm trying to learn right now. Okay, so the first thing what I did is I'm trying to take help of AI, ChatGPT, to help me. So I decided to ask ChatGPT which stocks should I invest in. So the first stock that came is into my mind is why not see for Apple? Everyone is having Apple Watch, Apple mobile phone. I'm sure that company definitely might be making good money. So let's try to find Apple. Okay. So we put an Apple. As soon as you put in the code, it will automatically find all the information that's needed. Okay. Once we do that, I'm going to like, I know this is not real money. Okay, but I want to be careful. I'm not going to put in, okay, I'll put in like 10,000, just to invest because it's paper money. I will try to use that money as my own money, real money. Okay, and that's how I am trying to do it. Okay, this is me learning. Okay, so I'm trying to buy Apple. So let's see the current price of Apple, that is around $293.98, 99 cents, and it went up by $2.42, and 83% increase today. Okay, and let's see the 52-week high. 52-week high went to $317. 52-week low went to $195. Okay, today's days high went to 294, days low 289. Okay, you know what? Let's try to buy around 100 shares. Okay, 100 shares. Let me see. Market day only. Even I'm not sure market day only. I'm just trying to understand. I'm learning and I'm showing you guys what I'm trying to do. Okay, 29,000. Okay, that is not something practically that I will do because I don't have that much money. So what I will do right now is instead of 100, I might go for 30. Reasonable. Let's preview the order. Okay, that's still like $8,000, $8,800. Okay, still a bit high, but okay, fine. Let's go with it. Submit order. We are just trying to learn, understand what we are trying to do. We are just trying to learn how the market works. I can be wrong in many ways. So the best part is it tells you the account value, buying power, the cash. It even acts as an actual, website where you can trade like Fidelity or Robinhood. That's all that I know right now. So that's all that I will try to understand with. Okay, so trade confirmation. Okay, we got it. Okay, your order has been received by our system. It will be executed shortly. Okay, to submit another stock. Okay, so now as I told ChatGPT, I wanted 5 stocks. Okay, oh wow, very good. Yes, see. And the second stock that actually ChatGPT told me was Nvidia. Okay, so let's click on Nvidia. I click on Nvidia. Oh, this took me somewhere else. Okay, so this is actually where it tells you more about the company profile. I'm not yet that educated to understand, but I'm trying to go with what I see happening around me right now, like Nvidia is into AI chips. So yes, I definitely, AI is moving at a very, it's like skyrocketing. So let's just go for AI. I mean, so for Nvidia AI, by again, it's at $201 and 63 cents an increase and 29%. Weekly today, sorry, today's day high is 203, lowest was 199. Okay, 52-week high 236 and 52-week low 140. Okay, let's buy again 30 of this. Okay, today I'm only going to understand how it works, and I want to see like tomorrow how much money did I make. Okay, so duration day only 201, quantity 30, $6,043, submit order. Okay, that's done. Okay, so now these are the two that I invested in. I had asked AI for three. So the next one is AMD. AMD, okay. So this is also, AMD is not a valid symbol, not sure, but it definitely did open. Okay, so here we have it. I have got AMD also on the screen. Okay, so this is 463. Okay, wow. Okay, so 52-week high, $546, week low, 152, week low, 100. Wow, $115. The day high was 480, day low had gone 463. Okay, so let's buy 400, right? Sorry, let's go low on this. Let's buy 10 shares. Okay, we're trying to buy 10 shares, place order, 4,000. It's quite expensive. Submit order. Okay, that's done. This is the third one. Now, one more, Tesla, because I see a lot of Tesla. Okay, okay, there you go, Tesla. Okay, so this is at $384.76. Okay, so week high, I mean, sorry, 52-week high, 498, 52 weeks low, 288. Today's day high was 390, day low 380. Okay, so let's again go with this for $10. I'm sorry, 10 shares. We are just trying to learn. I'm treating this like I'm investing in all stocks that are just A grade stocks. I'm not trying to go to any of the stocks that I know it shows that I have like 100K to use, but I'm trying to be very practical, use the money in a systematic way, slowly learning. All right. So the duration day only. This is something that I want to learn. What exactly is duration do? If anybody of you guys know and can help me, please go ahead and help me. Estimated price per share is so much, 10 shares, $3,853.65. Let's submit the order. Okay. Now the next stock, which is a very, I would say, what do you call it? Very controversial. Okay. Let me see if it's anyway in this list. Okay. PM, I'm not sure. Meta is something that I want to, try to put my hands in, but practically I don't have that much to put in. So the next is Microsoft. So Microsoft was something that, I have been since I was a kid, like, Microsoft Windows. So whatever I am investing is in right now is something that I can see live on the street, live, that is happening in front of me. My laptop, a Windows laptop, a car on the street, a Tesla, a mobile phone, that's iPhone, AMD, which is chip, yeah, something that you cannot see, AMD and Nvidia, but just that I've heard about it, and I know these are big companies, great companies, definitely doing good. Okay, so Microsoft, $386 and few cents. So 52-week high, $555. Okay, 52-week low, 500, I'm sorry, $356.28. Okay. So let's see more. And week high, oh, sorry, day high, $396.85. And okay, 386. Okay, fine. Let's go here with 20 shares. Okay, 20. Okay, so let's go ahead and preview order. Okay, Microsoft 20 day only, 20 commission 0. This is the total estimated submit order. So let's check now. I don't know what is options. I'm trying to learn it. I will be learning it along with you guys. Order status. So I this these are all, oh, so these are all the pending transactions. Oh wow. Okay, so mm, just trying to understand. Okay, so everything is coming up as pending. Open trade is in the list of all your pending. Interesting. Okay, so maybe this is how it works. And as you can see, the order is pending right now, and it's going to proceed with what's going to happen next. Not sure whether what companies that I invested in at the end of the day did it make money for me. Was my in I would say, was my knowledge, or am I in the right direction in what I read on the internet, like what to invest in. Invest in things that you see daily. Invest in something that you can see around you, like your computer, your laptop, Apple. Like, I'm just giving examples, like with how to understand, and how I am trying to make, and how I am trying to learn how to invest my money, so that I don't end up wasting my money, or I don't end up, like being a person who is too smart, thinking that oh, it's just stock market, it can go high, it can go low. I'm just trying to understand how it is working. Okay, so as we can see, let me try to pull it up. Okay, okay, so pending shares, the shares are pending. So this will tell you everything. So what did I do is, I went to my portfolio. Okay, and then when I scroll down, it told me everything, like what I try to do for the day. Okay, so I purchased Apple, buy at market 30, $293.94. Nvidia 30 shares, $201.17. AMD, and that's 10 shares for $462.93. Tesla, again, for 10 shares for $384.87. And Microsoft 20 shares for 380, I'm sorry, $386.18. Okay, now I try to check what the companies do, what I've heard about the companies. These are my top 5 stocks that I pulled from ChatGPT. Every company is doing good. The revenue, the profit. I'm not sure whether, I didn't check the depth, whether it was manageable or no. I didn't check, like, to actually understand it. I didn't really check how much money is the company making. I still have to learn that part of it. Okay, now after reviewing these 5 companies, this is virtual money. So the goal is not to get rich overnight. The goal is to learn. I am placing my trades now and building my paper trading portfolio. Okay, so, and that's it. My first paper trading portfolio is officially live. No real money was risked, but I learned a lot about research. I mean, not really researching company, but I went with what I see in my daily life and making investment decisions. Over the next few days, over the next few weeks, I will track these stocks. I will track these stocks by the end of the day. I will track and see how they perform today. How they perform today. I will try to learn from my mistakes and share the results with you. If you are new to investing, I will highly recommend it starting with paper trading before risking real money. This is one of the best ways to learn how the market works. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and follow the journey as I learn investing from scratch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.